Axiom 1.0.2 just dropped and everything is faster now. First we're going to cover health, then magic set, and then performance mode. Hi, I'm DJ O and I'm the founder of Axiom. I built Axiom as a working DJ 20 years in the game. I built this because I was sick and tired of prepping music the hard way. Here's how it works. This is a key step in the process. It strengthens your Axiom assistant's brain. Lower health score means better recommendations, better experience. Health shows a few things: missing BPM, missing key, so much more. In 1.0.2, inside the health section, it's a lot cleaner, a lot more faster, and it catches so many more problems. Now in the library mode, add your music. Drag it in, drop it, Axiom reads everything. Now there's no more scrolling through folders to find the song. Pick one track, click matching songs, Axiom shows you what fits. Same key, same BPM, same energy, same direction.
That is amazing.
Now let's say you're playing hip hop and R&B from the 90s. You get to a point where you need the next track but you're stuck. Axiom will provide the songs that make sense for you at that moment. Also, if you need a song with a halftime flip, meaning you've gone too fast, we need to bring it down, Axiom does that for you. You want to go the other way, you want to go up, Axiom does that for you too. Don't forget, you still pick the songs. Axiom just stops you from digging blind. Now studio mode, this is where you build the set. Look at the top of the screen. Right there it tells you how many songs you have in their current set and how long the set is.
I like it.
So now you know if you got a 45-minute to 3-hour set that you're working with. This is key. You build the set by yourself, track by track, Axiom assists you. Another thing to point out, if you choose all your favorite songs and songs around that, one click and Axiom can harmonically sort it for you. This is how you build playlists in the future. Magic set is the cheat code. If you're starting from scratch or short on time, drop 2 or 3 songs inside your studio flow. You pick your duration, you hit generate, Axiom builds the whole journey. Once it's done, you simply replace music in there you just do not like. That's the magic set. Export mode. Now we're done building our set, it's time to hit export. One button and it drops it inside Serato, DJ Pro or Rekordbox. That's right, the set you made will appear inside your DJ software as a crate or a playlist. Your keys are tagged, your BPMs are tagged. You open your DJ software, your set is sitting there. Performance mode. This is the money feature. Your live track is playing, Axiom's watching. It provides live suggestions. It then pulls up 24 recommendations for you. Whatever the BPM is, whatever the genre, it's got you. How cool is that? Technology. Basically, performance mode gives you options you could choose next. It also allows you to add specific crates inside this recommendations list. So not only are you seeing your library, but you're seeing specific crates and playlists you want it to show. Axiom was built by a DJ for DJs. Load up your music, match it with songs, export the track, play it out, find more songs while you're spinning. Build the journey, stay ready for the next move.